Hey traders, in this video we're going to go over a couple trades that set up today. Hopefully this will be a fun little educational trade setup for you guys to help you for your own trading while you're trading intraday. And I'm going to show you two really clean trades that set up real quick. So first, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and also check out my weekly trade zones with the trade zone video course. $99 lifetime subscription. There's a link down below. But let's jump right into this video. So early in the morning, this is kind of what we came into. I had these trade zones from yesterday up here, but these I drew this morning, right? Because when I come in, I'm trying to look for levels that I really like. Well, a couple levels I like were those, and also those, right? And the reason being is because they kind of made lows. This was the lowest from all of this price action, right? Right there. This one was a nice power move, the pullback, and then the second power move took out the high with aggression. So I like that. And then the third one was this clean pullback that landed, guess what? Right at this high. Okay, these are things that we want to look for. Trading really isn't that hard if you know exactly what to look for, right? So with that being said, I'm like, okay, hey, if price rolls over, I'm going to look somewhere around here. I'm going to look for this trade zone. And I'm going to look for this trade zone to take trades. Now, I am on the 5-minute chart, just so you guys know. And let's now go to the 1 minute, because once I draw them, then I usually jump onto my 1 minute chart and we'll sit there. And this is kind of what it looked like right here. Market opens, right, takes off, blah, blah, blah. And then all of a sudden we start to fall, okay? As we start to fall, and let's just zoom in here, right? Look at this price action coming down. We see a quick little bounce, right? And then price goes right into our trade zone. Really clean. We see a potential divergence forming, right? We have a very, very clean waterfall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's a great example of a failed waterfall, okay, right here. And then price breaks, right? So here was the waterfall. Price breaks, I call it the fish hook. And then we take out these lows, right? And then this is where we want to see a way oversold stochastic. And then on the way lower, we want to see another clean waterfall with a higher stochastic starting to form. So we know if we want, we could try and just take the trade zone blindly and just say, hey, here's my entry. Here's my stop loss, 1 point behind the trade zone. Price should not break, and call it a day and let the trade work out. Multiple ways to do it, but watch what happens. Price breaks here. Okay, we pull back, never take out that low, and we're off to the races, right? So that was a very, very clean trade that I took. The second trade that I took today was actually right after it, where I saw this. We're making a series of lower highs, right? This high right here has to be broken, right? The second major high or micro high was this high right here, because we had the waterfall, a break, and then a failure, right? This is what's called a failed waterfall. And then we had a nice move up where we took out that low right there, right? So what I did was I came over here and I grabbed my Fibonacci tool, and I'm like, hey, let me play my 6170 Fibonacci retracement, right? From this high down to this low. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for a potential short, okay, going in. And let's move this guy forward into this zone. And what I want to see price do is I want to see it go up and then pull back and just pull back to this 38. My entry is going to be somewhere inside here, okay, and my target is going to be right here. So let's see what price does, right? We move. We're right into the zone. Do we blow right through? And here's another thing, right, to look at. What is this level? Look to the left of the chart. Does it line up with a lot of stuff? Yeah. Support, right? Bounce, support, bounce, and then we fail, right? And then we kind of get stuck right here, and then we have a big swoosh down. So chances are, the very first touch, this should become a good support level. And let's see what price does, and there it goes, right? It fills me, we reverse, and then it comes right down to the 38, which is my target. Just a heads up, make sure you guys watch Saturday my video, because there's something that I'm releasing on Saturday that's going to teach you all of this. I've been working on a video course and all that. So sneak peek, if you want to buy it today, go for it. It's over at my website. The link's down below, daytradingfearless.com. But it's my top 5 trading strategies. As you can see, I really can't keep a secret too well. But that's it. Look at how clean this trade was. Everything lined up, right? We had a nice M pattern for meltdown, a rally back into the M, and then the fail right to the 38, which is one of the targets. I'm all out. So I hope this video helps you guys as traders. This is something really good to kind of understand and learn as a trader. If you're intraday trading, these Fibonacci levels, trade zones, things like that are very, very helpful. But that's it for this video, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.